Hi, I'm Dan Fernback with MarineMax Huntington, New York. Standing here on the Galeon 420 Fly. Let's take a look. First thing, you're going to have full teeth throughout the cockpit and the swim platform. This is a hydraulic swim platform that moves up and down, can have a tender or act as a swim platform. One of the nice features is this ladder that actually has a fixed point on the hull. It's on tracks, so as you lower this down, you have a platform and stairs that go up. Moving forward into the cockpit, one of the things that Galeon does well is continuously innovates. So with the seating configuration, you're going to have when you're moving, this is going to be pushed forward, locked in, but you can see the track and the pins here. So when you're at rest and you need a little bit more space, you can push this back for optimal space. This will have triple doors. So these two will actually go together and slide over. And then you're also going to have these that are being able to fix and a single door that goes through. Moving inside, U-shaped seating with a very innovative table that quickly folds out. Another thing about Galeon is they have a complete vertical integration, so they handle all of the stainless steel, all of the woodworking, all of the vinyl, all the construction on the boat, and handle it in-house. Moving forward, a very easy access panel. Opposing face seat, and a hidden TV that also slides down. The helm is incredibly nice. You have two V6 D6 Volvos, Raymarine, and you have a bow thruster. Down below into the galley, you're going to see all the nice woodworking that continues throughout the boat. Almost full-size appliances and very nice kitchen area, galley area. This is a 2-stateroom boat, 2-head boat. On the aft, you're going to have a sleeping quarters for 2, and then you're going to have a wet head. The master is the VIP with a private head. You're also going to notice the attention to detail with the solid core doors throughout. Now moving to my favorite part of the boat, the fly bridge. Now before we head up, you're going to notice for safety reasons, you're going to have a very large walkway that you don't have to shuffle, and it's very easy for everyone in the entire family to move forward. So aft, you're going to have a nice table, large table, and seating that runs all the way around in a big L shape. Now when you're with your family and it's very nice out, you're going to want to all be up here. So you're going to have complete redundancy on all the screens, electronics, and everything up here. If you want to look forward, you're also going to have 2 loungers. If you'd like to know more about this boat or any other boat that we have at MarineMax, my name is Daniel Fernback, Huntington, New York, 908-330-2727. Thank you.